Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach Python. So today's focus is going to be about assessing dictionary items. All right. The methods that we're going to take a look at are get, keys, values, and items. Okay, make sure to note the S behind them, and it's not just value, item, and key. Let's take a closer look at the get method. Now, I have a dictionary over here named my car. There are 3 keys and 3 values correspondingly. The first key is brand, second key is color, third key is year, okay? And they all have their own values. Now, I have another variable called for sale equals to my car dot get brand. Okay, so I'm referencing the brand key over here, and this is what Python is going to work with. Now, another way of doing this is by using the index. So you can write my car, right? And then you can go square brackets, and then double quotes or single quotes, have to keep it consistent. And you put in either the name of the key, like brand, color, or year. And that will give you the exact result that the get method would give you. Next up is keys. Once again, we have our my car dictionary. Now, I want to give you a disclaimer with keys, values, and items. They always update, all right? If you make any changes either to the key or to the value, the methods would update every time we print it out, all right? Now, obviously, you have to put the changes before the method statement. Otherwise, it'll just gonna give you the old dictionary. As you can see here, my car is, the dictionary. And then I'm adding in previous owner equals to Millie, okay? So that is, I've made some changes, I've added some things, and we should have a new list. And as you can see here, I put for sale after the changes that I've made. So for sale dot keys, and then after that, you print out for sale, and it would have previous owner within the dictionary. Okay, then let's take a look at values and what it can do for you. We're using the same dictionary. Now, instead of adding in a key and a value, we're changing an existing key. We're substituting the old value with the new value. The old value being red, all right? And we're substituting red with white. So that's a change that I've made. Values, once again, also update, but you have to put the statement that includes the method after the changes. Otherwise, it's going to give you the old dictionary. So once I've changed color to white, and next up is dot values with the empty parenthesis. When I print out for sale, it's going to give me the brand, the color, instead of red is white, and then the year. Next up on the items. Now, items also update the dictionary after you've made the change, and the syntax is basically the same as the previous methods that we've seen before. So it's, dot keys, dot values, and dot items. Now, we're going to move to the last part of this lesson, which is checking. Checking is something that we've seen with list, tuple, stats, and now with dictionary. You're just simply using an if-else statement minus the else, to be honest. If brand, so this is a key, okay? If brand in the dictionary my car, print yes, the brand's info is available for my car. Okay, so you don't need to write like if brand, equals true or anything like that. If it exists, it's true. If it doesn't exist, it's false. Hello everyone. Let's start with my car. My car is a dictionary with the key brand and the corresponding value of Toyota. Comma, let's go down here and have color is red. Oops, I forgot the double quotes. All right. And then the year. Year will be, let's see, 1700s perhaps. And then let's go down here and have another variable name for sale equals to my car dot get brand. All right. And then we're going to print for sale. And let's see how this works out for us. Next up, we're going to go down here and have my car again, but we're going to add in another key and value, previous owner, all right, previous owner, and her name is Millie. Millie, print my car because we want to see the result of each changes that we've applied to the dictionary. Another one, for sale, we're reusing variable my car dot keys. Okay, no need for any argument. Simply print for sale. This will print all of the available keys that we have, including the new ones that we just added. Let's go down here and let's use my car once again. We're going to practice changing the value of the keys that are already in the dictionary. So I'm going to be change the color key into purple. All right, and then I'm going to print my car like we did before. Let's go down here and actually let's try changing it one more time just so we can see how frequently we can change the values of our keys. Now remember to print to show the result. Next up, let's work with the values method for sale equals to my car dot values, no need for argument, print for sale. All right. Now let's add another key and value. My car, no need for sale, usage. All right. And the usage is a family car, family driving. All right. Print my car. Don't forget that. And then let's work with the if and else loop for dictionary. For sale equals to my car items. All right. Oops, I misspelled this. My car items print for sale. And now let's move on to the looping part. If brand is in my car, print yes, the brand information is available. All right, let's go down here and let's have another if let's see, let's use a false value this time. If a current owner in my car, print yes, the current owner information is available. If not, this is what we're going to go with. Else, print no, there are no current owners. All right, contrast to save. And let's see how this works out for us. We've got everything we need, all right? Okay, first off with for sale, my car, get the brand, print for sale, we have Toyota because that is the value of the brand. Next up, we add in previous owner Millie, so we print the whole thing plus the previous owner, which is what we get. We get the whole thing and then previous owner. Next up, we want all of the keys, all right? And that is what we got. We got, dictionary keys, brand, color, year, previous owner, and all that good stuff. Next up, let's go down here. Color, we change it to purple instead of the old value of red. All right. So brand Toyota color is purple plus previous owner Millie. All right. Next up, we change it to white, and it became white immediately. Next up, we're finding the values, and that's what we got. Dictionary values, Toyota white, 1700 milli. And down here, we add in another property is usage, and after previous owner milli, we got the usage, family driving. Down here, we get items. Items mean keys and values. So we got dictionary items. The brand is Toyota. The color is white. Year 1700. Previous owner is milli. And the usage is family driving. So they're all grouped together so you won't get confused. All right. Next up, if brand in my car, which is yes, we have a brand. It's Toyota. Print, yes, the brand information is available, which we have here. In the other case, if current owner in my car, print, yes, current owner information is available. Otherwise, no, there are no current owners. And since this return false, since we don't have, any key of current owner with its value, then we get no, there are no current owners. All right. Now that's it for today's lesson. I hope that you learned something new, and do tune into my next Python lesson, which talks about a bunch of things, really adding, removing, and looping dictionaries. All right. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.